अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज आयशा फिरदौस एंड यू आर वाचिंग टीचर्स वर्ल्ड। उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। Today's topic is about problem solving. It is very important and please watch the video completely. And before moving further, I want you to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And I remind you once again that English for All series is open for everyone, okay, for the parents, for homemakers, for teachers, everyone, as I'm explaining English concepts in Urdu. So moving further, अगर मैं कहूँ आपसे कि आने वाले सालों में शायद हमको ऑक्सीजन भी खरीद के रखना पड़ेगा घरों में, और क्या पता अगर रिफिल हो जाए तो क्या मसला हो। Am I making sense? Is it possible? Yes, we have never thought of purchasing water also, but now we are doing it. So maybe the case, and we all have witnessed COVID times in which scarcity of oxygen has led to so many deaths. Okay, fine. Now that's a different situation, but then owing to the environmental pollution, depleting ozone layer, global warming, all these issues, don't you think so that future years we are in a danger zone? Let me remind you of the famous speech by Greta Thunberg, जो लड़की थी जो वर्ल्ड समिट में एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर बात करी थी, और she has given a great speech and you know her concern was quite evident. क्या हम ऐसे बच्चों को हमारे इदारों से नहीं निकाल सकते? Why can't we do that? Why can't we come up with some working solutions? ठीक है, बच्चों को हम लोग what I feel is we are working on 3H concept जो है head, heart and hand. We are working on head. हम लोग की thinking abilities बढ़ा रहे, हर चीज कर रहे, and then we are also trying to work on values. But what we are missing out is service, या फिर अपना जो हैंड का जो है कंट्रीब्यूटर बनना है तो यू नीड टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर ऑल्सो, एंड व्हेन यू आर अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर इट शोज दैट यू आर अ क्रिटिकल थिंकर एंड अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन. Okay, because the end of creativity is like you have to come up with a working solution around. So where is this structure in our schools? Why are we not amplifying this process? ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं अगर हम अपने अतराफ देखें, when we observe the world around, अपने एरिया को देख लीजिए, like you see garbage bins, you see beggars, okay, and you see balloon vendors everywhere, and you also see schools which are popping up like mushrooms. तो आप बोलेंगे आयशा मैम यहाँ आप गार्बेज की बात कर रहे हैं, देन यू आर आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट स्कूल, देन यू नीड टू जॉइन द डॉट्स. व्हाट आई वांट टू कन्वे, कम्युनिटी सर्विस को हम एक मेजर हिस्सा क्यों नहीं बना रहे स्कूल्स में, एज इफ इट इज अ प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड. व्हाई डोंट वी मेक एंड ऑल्सो कोलैबोरेट विद अदर स्कूल्स. ओके, वी टीच स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट लेटर राइटिंग. ठीक है, लेटर राइटिंग हम पढ़ाते हैं, सालों से पढ़ा रहे हैं कि फॉर्मेट क्या है, 10 मार्क का आता है, 5 मार्क का आता, जो भी है. वी टॉक अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, वी शेयर सम लेटर्स, वी ऑल्सो मेक देम ड्राफ्ट सम लेटर्स विच आर एड्रेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. बट व्हाई इजंट एनी student going to the nearest GHMC as a team, as a representative of a school, collaborating with other schools and trying to bring a change in the locality? This is what my concern. Why are our roads so, in some of the areas are like so abandoned, no one to take care of, like there are potholes, the wires are hanging. I don't mean to say that every school, every student should go out on the roads and start cleaning, but yes, you can work on the solutions. When you sit and ideate, you come up with a solution, you take a decision, okay, and then maybe the problem can be resolved. And this is what actually has to be done in our schools. ठीक है, जैसे Einstein has once said that it's not that I do smart work, but I am with the problems for a longer time, and we also have to be with the problem, interpret it, and then come up with a working solution. और हमारे बच्चों को सोचने की सलाहियत भी उसी तरह हमको बिठाना है. Why not we design a curriculum, a framework which is purely on problem solving, and design thinking is something which fits into that particularly. Like for example, I'll take an example. अगर बच्चों को वाटर के बारे में पढ़ाना है, सेकेंड क्लास ही है, हम बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे कि वाटर है, इतना हिस्सा वाटर का है, इतना लैंड रहता, वाटर से ये काम होते, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू डू, हाउ डू यू यूज वाटर, फाइन, दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन you gave, okay. Why don't we sensitize the students saying that there are some areas where there is no water and people have to travel long distances and there is scarcity of water, and even if the water is available, it is very much impure. So students will be empathized after seeing those images and videos. उनके दिल में एक नरमी आएगी कि अल्लाह, एक तो शुक्र, एक तो they'll be thankful for their own thing and they'll feel that, oh, this is the problem. Then how to come to the solution? Like, shall we ideate now? Shall we define the problem? समझ में आ गया, एक तो पानी की कमी है और पानी की सफाई. These are the two problems. And what is the second one is how to clean it. So for that purification process, let them ideate. They'll sit in groups, you create opportunities so that they ideate and they come up with a model. एक मॉडल अपने रिसोर्सेज से नजदीकी में, without going into hi-fi things, or if the school can provide some owing to the standard, okay, of their classes, then they come up with a working model. प्रोटोटाइप करेंगे, टेस्ट करेंगे, फिर फाइनली अपना रिसर्च के तौर पे उसको पब्लिश करेंगे. आप लोग बोलेंगे मैम साइंस में पॉसिबल है, व्हाई नॉट विद सोशल? How can we save our heritage buildings? Okay, what we have to do? What about unemployment problem? What we can do to raise the standard of living? So these discussions have to be like random ideations. In big companies like Amazon and PayPal, they have ideation sessions for the employees. Even employees sit and think about some creative working solutions which will benefit the customers. Then why not schools? Schools should focus on problem solving. Then only we will be contributors well. So hopefully you understood the design thinking approach. The only concern is हमारे बच्चों को contributors बनाना है, problem solvers बनाना है, वरना हम problem को ही समझने में जो है रह जाएंगे. And you will be surprised to know that India ranks very much less when it comes to innovations. Students के innovations में देखेंगे तो I think it was like very low rank, exact number I don't remember, but then it is in a lower level. So we need to gear up and work in this area. Jazakallahu khair. Happy learning, happy teaching. Allah Hafiz.